Hi, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com. We just finished building this beautiful 434 Chevy 600 horsepower engine for our customer's 1967 Chevy Nova 2. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build. We started with a brand new dart block, 4-bolt main block. We have the forged steel internals in there, forged steel crankshaft, H-beam connecting rods, power forged pistons, special Compcams roller lifter camshaft. You have the high rev roller lifters in there, brand new double roller timing chain, chrome timing cover, SFI balancer on there, high flow aluminum water pump. Engine block is painted the red with the brass freeze plugs. This is the proper Moroso oil pan for the 67 Nova 2. It's the clearance there on the oil pan. We have the red Taylor ignition wires, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. These are the AFR aluminum cylinder heads, the 220 intake runner heads. Real nice, American made. We have the Chevrolet valve covers in red with the matching air cleaner. All the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. This is the Edelbrock Performer RPM aluminum intake manifold. Correct thermostat housing for the 67 Nova. High flow thermostat. We have the 750 CFM Brawler carburetor with electric choke. Throttle return springs on there. Throttle cable ball and spring. The bracket. MSD ignition coil. We have the small cap distributor, real important for firewall clearance on the 67 Nova. It's already on there. Manifold vacuum fittings are installed for any vacuum hookups. We have the proper standard flywheel for the customer's Muncie transmission, proper tooth count and balance for the 434 Chevy. We have the pilot bearing in there, all set. High torque mini starter. We have the GM dip tube on here and stick, all set. Chrome breather, push and breather, chrome fuel line. We have the Russell fuel pressure gauge on there, all set. All the AN heavy duty fuel lines with the Russell fuel line with the loop clamps, gas filter going down the Muscle Car Series fuel pump, all set with the loop clamps. We have a 140 amp one wire hookup alternator right here. It's a heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, all set. Every engine is live run and fully tested for 45 minutes. You're going to get a video of your engine running in stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. We check for leaks. We set the ignition timing. We adjust the idle mixer screws to get the best manifold vacuum reading. We set the idle. So everything is thoroughly gone over, so you know when you put the engine in, you know it's 100% perfect. When you're ready to buy, give us a call at 908-323-5847. Send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. It's a family-owned and operated business. It's been in business since 1969. There you have it, our 434 Chevy 600 horsepower engine with the dart block of the AFR heads on there. Thanks for watching.